Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ring.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Mayur Uniquoters. Mayur UNIQ is the ticker name of the stock, and what you're watching is the monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart, and this is each candle here represents 1 month. And these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated for the stock to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, the stock, you can clearly see after March 2015 onwards, after reaching its peak price, 509 rupees, the stock broke into sideways movement. You can clearly see I'm keeping the crosshairs here for your understanding. You see that actually it started facing some sort of what do you say? It broke into sideways movement, and after that the stock started going down. And for a particular period it didn't make any new lows, but after that it started making new lows, and recently it made one more new low, and that is the bottom price. There is a recent bottom price that it hit in August 2017. That time the stock was trading at 307 rupees, and you see this candle here, a red color candle, small candle here. This is November month's candle. This month the stock went down a little bit, but if you look at the trend is in the rising trend. But if you look at the overall trend, overall path pattern, the stock had already reached its peak price in March 2015, and after that it is unable to, it couldn't cross its previous peak price so far. That means from 2015 onwards up to 2017 November, the stock is unable to cross its peak price, which it had reached in 2015. So that is the position of the stock. Actually, right now the stock is undergoing a sideways movement, and it is continuing that movement even today. So that is the position of the stock. Okay, if you look at the other indicators, for example, this this stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving averages, and it is right now under the influence of positive support trend mode. Very good. If you look at the relative strength of the stock is just brushing with the top line, and it is making a parallel line to the top line. Okay, it's an average. Direction strength of the stock had already crashed, and stochastics is okay, but playing around the midpoint. But the good thing is it is showing the positive trend. It is stochastics is showing the positive trend. We are clearly seeing the fast line on top of the slow line, and both are diverging. That's a good sign. But the strength is is at an average level. But the momentum of the stock is playing on top of the baseline. Good, but again, it is at a very initial level. It is not at the benchmark level, so cannot be considered. Price volume change. Okay, recently we are seeing some spike after August 2017. We are seeing a spike in the price volume, which you can clearly see the nice slope that the curve is making here. Okay, balance of power and LRA both are in sync with each other, and both are telling us that the stock is in bullish phase. And Kopeck curve is clearly telling us that stock is in bearish phase. Okay, if you see these guiding points are giving us a different kind of signals. That means we can in a single phrase we can say mixed signals. Now some are positive, some are negative, something of the sort, and whichever signals are positive, they are not at the benchmark level, and whichever signals are at the negative level, showing the negative signal, they are all too much, they had already crashed. For example, take this directional strength. Okay, right now though the direction strength is actually there is a trend reversal here. You can see so far, the green, the positive direction or the negative direction here, and both the lines are diverging. That is, everything is okay, but the strength has already crashed. Now it has to move in the upward direction and go up to a certain distance in the upward direction. Then only it will start showing its impact. Then only we can see its impact. That's what I want to try to say. And momentum is also the same thing. Actually, the momentum is there. It is in the positive this thing only. It is playing on top of the baseline. But momentum is at a very initial level. So again, it has to rise up further, and then only we can see some sort of impact on the stock and the movement of the stock, price movement of the stock. That's what I'm saying. So considering all these things, as per my analysis, I feel like this stock right now is good for short-term trading, but cannot be considered neither for medium nor for long-term investment. So that is the conclusion. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.